Hello and welcome to my channel, Food Brainwash. The aim of my channel is to boost your cooking knowledge through a wide variety of different cooking tutorials and food science animations and past exam paper videos. If that sounds like your cup of tea, then please subscribe. It's frittata time! But what shall I put in my frittata? Well, eggs and whatever else you've got left over in the fridge. Oops, I forgot to put my can of corn in this shot. Good way to get canned corn to taste better. Just heat it in a dry pan until it browns. You'll get that lovely barbecue flavour off it. So go ahead and crack 4 eggs into a bowl. That is sufficient to serve around 2 to 3 people. However, if you've got more guests, feel free to use 6 eggs. Don't forget to season your eggs with salt. So, which pepper did I choose? The green one. So I'm top and tailing it and removing all the seeds and the white bitter pith from inside. Then I'm left with a quarter pepper, which is what I'm going to use, and now I'm going to julienne it into small slices. I've chosen to add pre-cooked meat. In this case, this is the smoked chicken toast. However, you could use ham, you could use leftover roast chicken, any meat you've got would do, as long as it's pre-cooked. Let's switch on the stove. Whoa, that was certainly bright, wasn't it? Don't be afraid of using plenty of olive oil and butter. That way your frittata won't stick to the bottom of the pan. Time to get those onions nice and soft. Keep them on a medium heat. Once they look like they've softened a bit, you can go ahead and add your peppers and continue frying until they're soft as well. After adding my herbs, I'm going to go ahead and add some chili soybean paste just for a little bit of flavour, but that's entirely optional. Wow, look at that lovely rich red colour. Can't wait to tuck into it later. It's really important that you turn down your flame so it's nice and low. That way the bottom of the frittata doesn't burn while the top is setting and cooking. So now I'm adding all the remaining ingredients after the eggs. Corn. Next, the chicken toast, and finally I'm adding some grated cheddar cheese. Once the pan lid is on, it can take anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes for the beauvoir at the top of the frittata to set. But through the magic of television, mine's only going to take around 10 seconds. Meanwhile, in real life, around 8 minutes later. So, I'm going round with a knife to try and loosen the edges. If you're a keen observer, you will also see I went round with the spatula as well, just to make doubly sure that it was free and I was able to flip it upside down and it came out of the pan nice and easily. Three, two, one, and flip. Whew. Manage that one. Just wiggle it off. Oopsie, it's a bit off centre. Don't worry, we wiggled it into the centre of the plate. I serve mine with a nice tasty green spinach salad. I just drizzled over some olive oil and squeezed some lemon juice and added some salt and pepper. It was very tasty. Okay, time to try. Here's your bite, ready. Num 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 num.